Good day, everyone. I hope that you are all doing fine because today is another day to learn an interesting topic in TLE 8 Nail Care Services. I am Ma'am Donna Christine Delgado and welcome to my class. Before we start, I want you to check on your nails. How does it look? Did you keep it short or you prefer it to be long? Because today, our topic is all about nail shapes. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify the different nail shapes, describe the different nail shapes, and perform nail trimmings based on the selected nail shape. The nail is a plate of keratin that lies on the tips of the fingers and toes. Its main use is to protect the fingers and toes. It also assists with certain physical activities in our daily life. Also, our nail, specifically our fingernails, grow an average of 3.5 millimeters per month and have no fillings. Amazing, right? But before we continue with our lesson, let me just remind you of this. Number 1. Set up your space. Make sure that you are in your most comfortable place with limited or no distractions. 2. Have your learning materials like module, notebook or activity sheet and pen beside you for you to be guided and ready for our learning activities. 3. Pay attention to the lesson. And number 4. Answer the learning tasks all honestly. So if you are all ready, let's begin. Kindly get your activity sheet and pen for our first activity. For activity number 1, we have 4 pics and 1 word. We are going to supply or write the missing letter to complete the word described on the picture. You have 3 minutes to answer. Okay, so timer's up. Let us check if we got it all right. Again, please be honest in checking your work. So for number 1, we have shape. Number 2, round. Number 3, trimming. Number 4, square. And the last number, which is number 5, is nail. Did you get it all correctly? If you got a perfect score, very good. If not, well, that's okay. There's another activity for you. For this activity, there are 5 hidden words in the puzzle. In your activity sheet, try to find it by encircling the words. Okay, so let's find out what are those words that are hidden in this puzzle. We have oval, square, scoval, round, and pointed. Have you got it all correct? Very good. So in the previous activities, we encountered the words like round, pointed, oval, square, and scoval. These are some of the basic or most common nail shapes. Oval nail. This is common among people with long, perfect nail beds. It may be styled slightly rounded at the base and slightly pointed at the fingertips. Most often, this type of nail has a natural look and looks very good in a short or to medium length. Round nail. Ideal for shorter nails. The nail is allowed to grow out straight at the sides of approximately 1.5 millimeters, and then the tip is filed into a rounded shape. This is a strong shape which is great for those who keep their nails short. Next is stiletto or pointed. Stiletto or pointed filed away at the sides of the point at the tip. This shape is very weak as the sides of the nail which provide the strength to the nail are totally lost. The next we have scoval. Scoval is similar as oval above but followed by squaring off the tip. This gives the nail tip strength over the oval shape. And the last one among the basic nail shape is the square. The square-shaped nails are the most famous among the nail shapes. It is created by allowing the nail to grow out straight and then filing the tip straight across at right angles with the rest of the nail plate. So again, the 5 basic nail shapes are oval, rounded, stiletto or pointed, scoval, and square. Now look at the picture so that you will be familiarized with them. Which of them is the shape of your nail? Is it oval, scoval, square, rounded, or pointed? Now let's see if you can identify now the 5 basic nail shapes. What is the shape of this nail? A. Oval, B. Square, C. Scoval. Very good. It is B. Square. Next, what is the shape of this nail? A. Round, B. Oval, C. Scoval. Correct. It is A. Round. Next, what is the shape of this nail? A. Round, B. Scoval, C. Stiletto or pointed. Very good. It is C. Stiletto or pointed. Next, what is the shape of this nail? A. Oval, B. Square, C. Scoval. Correct. The shape of this nail is scoval. Again, what is the shape of this nail? A. Oval, B. Square, C. Scoval. Very good. The answer is A. Oval. Okay, so how many correct answers did you get? That's nice. So let's have another one. For learning task 2, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. This is a strong shape which is great for those who keep their nails short. Number 2. This shape is very weak as the sides of the nail which provide the strength to the nail are totally lost. Next, number 3 is similar as oval above but followed squaring of the tips that gives the nail tip strength over the oval shape. Next, number 4. This is common among the people with long, perfect nail beds. It may be styled slightly rounded at the base and slightly pointed at the fingertips. And the last one, number 5, the most famous among the nail shapes, it is created by allowing the nail to grow out straight and then filing the tip straight across the right angles with the rest of the nail plate. Now let's check your answer. Number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter D. 3, E. Number 4, A. The number 5 is C. Did you get it all correctly? Very good. Class, we can shape our nails by trimming it. Trimming of nail plays a very vital role. It is a very easy task, but sometimes it causes little problems such as unwanted abrasions and ingrown nails when not done properly. In cutting nails, we apply the following steps. Step 1. Prepare the types of instrument for this task. Nail cutter, which has small or medium slightly curved blades which are suitable for trimming the fingernails. Nail cutters with straight blades are more suitable for use. Step 2. Before using your nail cutter, make sure that it is clean. Wash your nail cutter to remove dust and germs, especially when you are sharing your nail cutter with someone else. Dry thoroughly after washing it. Step 3. Wash your hands. Wipe dry with any towel or tissue paper to remove extra water. This process cleans your fingernails, and besides cleaning fingernails, it also helps in softening your fingernails and easier to cut them. Step 4. You must cut your nails in a place where you can clearly see what you are doing. Put a small container near you in which you can collect the nails. Step 5. Decide the shape of your nails. Decide which shape you actually want. After deciding, lift the nail cutter and start cutting your nails. Step 6. Start cutting your nails, starting from your little finger. Step 7. Click on the nail cutter that can cut through the nail. You can make at least 2 or 3 cuts per fingernail until everything is snug. Follow the curve of the nail to get a clean cut. Check skin flaps after each cut and remove carefully. Step 8. Sit comfortably and crunch your knee side to easily reach up and see the nails clearly. Be sure not to set up a deep razor to prevent scratches. Adjust the position of razor if you feel any discomfort. Step 9. After cutting your nails, use a nail file to smooth any rough and odd surface of newly trimmed nails. When you file, do it on tilt from the corner of the nail to go down. And the last step, apply some moisturizer on your hand to keep the cuticles moisturized and smooth. So those are the step-by-step procedure in trimming your nails. You may also want to watch this video for you to be guided on how to shape your nails.
Understanding how to properly shape nails is an important part of any manicure service. Not only do you have to consider the client's personal preference, but you must consider the nail strength and its structure. Here, you'll learn some basic shapes that are elegant yet functional. Square nails are flat on top, with straight, sharp corners. This is a popular shape for those with short nails, or long nails, or narrow nail beds. Trim nails to cut on filing time. Start by cutting the sides and then the center if needed. To get this look, I file straight across the free edge. Next, I file using an up and down motion, keeping the file straight. I repeat on the right side. are easy to maintain, and great for those who prefer a short length. To shape, I cut nails to my client's desired length while keeping the final shape in mind. With your file, follow the natural curve of the fingertip until the desired roundness is achieved. Oval nails elongate the finger by narrowing the sides and tips of the nail. To achieve this look, file each side of the nail, slightly curving your file at the end towards the center of the nail to create an egg-like shape. Whatever I do on one side of the nail, I need to do on the other side to keep the nail symmetrical. Similar to a Then, smooth it out with your 220/280 flex buffer. And there you have it, natural nail shapes that are both elegant yet functional.
Okay, so there you have it. In your answer sheet, kindly answer these guide questions. What are the materials and tools needed in performing nail trimming? What are the things to be considered in shaping nails? Why does nail trimming sometimes causes problems? Now that you already know the steps in trimming nails, you're going to perform nail trimming based on your selected nail shape by following the step-by-step procedure of trimming nails. Note that don't forget to ask somebody to take a picture or record a video of your performance before, during, and after for documentation and mode of verification. In doing the activity, please always observe safety and proper hygiene at work. You will be graded by the following rubrics. Follow safety precautions before and after nail trimming. Use proper motion of trimming nails. nail shape is achieved, and finished on time. After performing nail trimming, turn your module on page 19 and follow the story of Sammy, the manicurist, in Learning Task 4. Complete the missing part of her story by describing the different parts of the structure of the nail and the nail shapes, and answer the guide questions that follow. Also, answer in your answer sheet the questions on page 21. I hope that you learned something essential today. See you again for another interesting and lifelong learning topic in TLE 8. Once again, I'm Mrs. Donna Christine P. Delgado, your teacher in TLE 8 Nail Care Services.